Iran is on the edge, and the latest phase of escalation is not being shaped by speeches or statements, but by aircraft movements, deployment patterns, and the quiet geometry of power projection across the region. Satellite imagery has picked up the presence of the Ilyushin IL-80. Often described as Russia's Doomsday aircraft, this plane is an airborne command post. Its significance isn't in combat capability, but survivability. Built to function as a flying command center in high-intensity conflict, its deployment signals an emphasis on hardened command and control networks. In a region where electronic warfare and precision strikes define the opening moves, keeping leadership and communication intact becomes the first layer of defense. Meanwhile, China and Iran earlier reached a major military agreement. Iran is set to receive J-25th generation fighter jets, J-10Cs, HQ-9 air defense systems, and JY-14 radars. The Chengdu J-20 is China's first operational fifth-generation fighter, designed to combine stealth, long-range reach, and network-centric warfare into a single platform. Its airframe emphasizes low observability, with diverterless supersonic intakes and carefully aligned surfaces to reduce radar cross-section. Unlike many Western counterparts optimized for close-range dogfighting, the J-20 is built around beyond visual range or BVR dominance, carrying long-range air-to-air missiles like the PL-15 in internal weapon bays. At sea, the Gulf of Oman and Northern Indian Ocean have seen high-intensity joint naval drills involving Iranian, Russian, and Chinese forces. These exercises typically include anti-submarine warfare, air defense, and surface strike coordination. On a map, the focus areas align closely with the approaches to the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most critical maritime choke points, indicating a clear emphasis on sea control and denial operations. But the most visible shift comes from the United States. Over 50 fighter jets, including F-22s, F-35s, and F-16, have been repositioned across key Middle East bases to create a fast, layered air power grid. These include Al Udeid in Qatar, Al Dhafra in UAE, Prince Sultan Air Base in Saudi Arabia, Ali Al Salem Base in Kuwait, Muwafaq Salti in Jordan, and Incirlik Air Base in Turkey. Together, these positions form overlapping engagement zones across the Persian Gulf, cutting response times to minutes. This is what modern escalation looks like. Not a single flashpoint, but a network. Air, sea, and command layers aligning quietly before anything actually begins.